Okay, so Saturday, 4th of July, boat's on, pretty much loaded, ready to go. Just waiting for Travis to get out here. We're gonna hit the Missouri from Fort Randall to Yankton Dam, Lewis and Clark Lake. I think it's about 65 miles on the river. 3 days basically, 2 nights. We have an option to bail early if we want, but we're seasoned vets at this, so we're gonna do her. It's gonna be good. See you unloading. Okay, not even a mile away. You think a mile away? Mile? No, no. This retard jumps out the window, so we had to do a little recon, whip around, and pick him up out of some construction, you know, like what, 41st and Western? Yeah, 41st and Western. Not a small or slow road at all, so. But he survived. He's happy. Look at him. Retard. It's not that bad out. The wind feels really good. Packing the boats up. There's the car. That way, baby. Here we go, guys. We are just setting off of the Fort Randall Dam, South Dakota, Nebraska. Woo! I don't know about you guys, but this is my favorite stuff right here. Big river, little bitty boat. I think these are all eagles. None of them have white heads, but I'm pretty sure they're all eagles. Maybe just young. A little stream right there. There's a Loki dog. Oh, come on. Beautiful spot though. Nice little break. I think that's a paddlefish. See that big paddle there? Crazy, huh? Loki, leave that alone. A lot of river left. So we're looking at these tracks like, is that a snake? I mean, there's a bunch of them. But I think we figured it out. I think that's a turtle. The feet on the side and the tail. Headed up that way. Gotta watch out for big guys like that out on this river. You get too close and they'll bump them and boop, and right over you go. Okay, here's camp. Sunset. I don't know if those clouds are worrisome or not. We were not supposed to have any weather. Beautiful river. Loki, Travis is getting set up. He's over there in the tent. And here I am set up in the hammock. Going porch mode tonight. Hopefully that rain stays away. I'm whooped. It was a long day. I'm hungry. And that's the plan from here on out, is get some food. Probably go to bed. I'm whooped. We'll hang out for a bit by the fire. That'd be good. Oh. I feel better than expected. Thought my arms were going to fall off yesterday at the end of the day. It's actually right here. Hey, Loki. And it feels good. This is what I woke up to. Gotta love the river. So you can see I got my tarp hanging here, right? That was what's covering me, and I like to use this cam jam. It's just slick and easy. Frustrated me. I somehow put that on backwards last night, and so I had to kind of get it right. But once you're done, it's just as simple as pulling that cam jam loose. And then your stuff starts to come down. Piece of cake. Beauty day out here. Man, this shell is really cool. Look at all that. Just falling apart. Wild, huh? Well, we landed on this little inlet. We were trying to find some shade, but as Travis said, that there's almost no amenities on this river. You know, they just don't take care of you, but that's all right. We provide our own shade, food, water, the whole deal. So we're good. We got a nice little setup. It's kind of a weird little thing. It just kind of streams right on back in there. Neat. Chill Gorilla tarp and tarp poles are a huge win for the day, really. I'm super happy that I brought those poles. Yeah. Okay, we didn't make it to Yankton, but we made it quite a ways down the river. Dad's coming to pick us up now. We ran out of water, and in every way imaginable. We ran out of water, drinking water, and for the last 2-3 hours, we've been struggling with actually having enough water in the Missouri River. I know that's a lot of water, but up there, it's like a delta, and if you take the wrong this way or that way, it's just a slog, as Jim Baird would say, a slog. I know what that term means now. Thanks, Jim.
God, I feel like you shouldn't even get in anybody's vehicle.
How do you know that you're from the northern hemisphere? When you're paddling west to east most of the day, the sun will only hit you on the one side of your leg. So don't forget that one spot. She's a peach.